so let's review about slope. This is very important. Slope, you may remember, usually denoted with the letter M, and it's rise over the run. So rise is how far it goes up and down, run is how far it goes left and right. If it goes up, it's positive, and if it goes to the right, is positive too. So if the line's going down, we're going to say it's negative, and if it's going to the left, that's negative too. So the change in y is the rise, the change in x is the run, and here's a cute little diagram to remember. Then you go up, and then you go across. So this line right here, what is the slope for this line? Well, if we look here, it goes rise over run is 2 over 4. So 2 over 4. We can simplify that, dividing both by 2, and that's 1 over 2. And then we'll look at over here. Well, let's say we're going down by 6 and left by 12. So really would be saying something like negative 6 over negative 12. Well, if that's the case, the minus and the minus will cancel out, and the 6 and the 12 can be divided by 6, and we end up that the line always has the same slope, and that's 1 over 2. So you can put the triangle on top and you can put the triangle on the bottom, and that will give you the slope of a straight line. Well, slopes can be positive and can be negative. And how? Well, if we say that the slope is positive, we mean that it goes up to the right. If the slope is 0, it's horizontal. And if the slope is negative, then it's going down and to the right. And I can't just say going up or going right, because of course this line right here, well, that's going up this way, but it's going down this way. Think about a hill. When you go on a bike, is it going up or is it going down? Well, it depends which direction you're going. So we are talking about going towards the right. So a slope of 1/2, that just means that we're going to go up 1. So I'm going to start anywhere, because I don't know what else. Let me see. I start right here. So if I go up 1, 1, and over 2, 1, 2. There's my point. Up 1 and over 2. There's my next point. Up 1 and over 2. There's my next point. And then we can use a ruler to put this together. So it would be something like this. Once I have enough points, I can follow the pattern and then draw the straight line. If m is negative 2, then, and again, I'll just start anywhere. Let me use another color. So let's say I start here. And if I say negative 2, well, what is negative 2? There's no... Oh, then I realized that I can see negative 2 over 1 to see it properly. And the rise is negative 2, and the run is 1. So that's 2 down and 1 to the right. So 1, 2 down and 1 to the right. 1, 2 down and 1 to the right. 1, 2 down and 1 to the right. Now you may notice that if I thought that the minus was with the bottom, if there's only one minus, I can do the other way around. I can say 2 up and 1 to the left. What would that do? 2 up and 1 to the left. 2 up and 1 to the left. So it just continues the pattern. And as you can see, my points all line up. Therefore, I can draw a straight line all the way through. Now that was just the slope, but they didn't tell us where to start. So this is where we go. We say